Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy lemon and ricotta mousse using just these 4 ingredients, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have all of the step-by-step instructions that you can click through to pin, bookmark and save whenever you want to make this lovely dessert. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try and how you enjoy this lemon mousse. So the ingredients we've got today are ricotta. I've got some beautiful ricotta over here. We've got Irish fresh cream. You really want to just use a cream that you can whip up to whipped cream, so whether it's double or whipping or heavy cream, this cream whips up beautifully, so that is what I'm going to use. We've got a lovely lemon over here, and I'm using stevia as my sweetener of choice. If you watched the other day, I shared my strawberry mousse, and that one was dairy-free, vegan, and it had maple syrup in it. This one though is low carb friendly. I like trying different ways to enjoy ingredients, and it's full of dairy, so it's a good balance, and protein with the ricotta too. So I'm going to get on, and step 1 is to whip up my cream. I'm starting by measuring out a cup of cream here, and then we're going to whip it up until we've got lovely whipped cream. Here we go. There you go, beautiful whipped cream. And now we're going to add in our ricotta, a cup of ricotta going in. There we go, a cup of ricotta going in, beautiful, smooth and creamy, and we'll give that a whisk in. There we go. And now for sweetness, my stevia, it's up to you if you want to do a couple of tablespoons or a quarter of a cup, depends how sweet you want it. I'm happy to go for a couple of tablespoons of stevia, and we'll whisk that in. And there we go, we've got our smooth, beautiful mousse, and now I am going to move to folding in the lemon. So I've grated the zest of my lemon, I've cut it in half, and we're going to squeeze the juice over a sieve. So we'll pop that all into our whisked up cream and ricotta, starting with the zest over here. Okay, zest is in, and now we'll just squeeze the juice over a sieve to catch any pips. We don't want pips in our mousse. Lovely and lemony. You can just use half a lemon if you don't want as intense a lemon hit, but we love lemon in my family. I love lemon treats. So we'll use all the lemon juice. Again, once we finish, give it a taste, and if you need to fold through a little bit more stevia or your sweetener of choice, you can do that. Okay, cool, a couple of pips there, and now we'll fold it all through. Here we go. Oh, I love tasks like this. I find them so therapeutic when you're folding through nice and relaxingly. There you go, easy as that. And then you can move it into a bowl to serve, and I will show it to you in a few hours once it's thickened up in the fridge. And the lemon ricotta mousse has been in the fridge a few hours. It's so beautiful and creamy. As you can see, look at that lovely mousse. It's beautiful. If you're a fan of lemon sweet treats and desserts and mousse, this is just so perfect, and perfect for summer, or if you're dreaming of summer, if it's a gloomy day and you just want a nice light and luscious dessert, then this is perfect. So that is the video for today for this lovely lemon ricotta mousse. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full step-by-step instructions and all you need to make this lovely lemon ricotta mousse. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.